Welcome to the project demonstration of four-legged walking robot with fire extinguisher. So here we are developing a spider robot model with 12 servo motors. Each leg consists of 3 servo motors. One is at the foot end and knee end and thigh end. So these 3 servo motors are used to control the leg movement. Totally 4 legs. So 12 servo motors are interfaced to the Arduino Nano board. And based on the input from the ESP32 camera, we are going to control the direction of this four-legged walking robot, and we are going to get the continuously video streaming to the Google Chrome, and from there only we are going to control in the direction of this robot movement. And while driving, if any fire detected, there we place one fire sensor, so which can detect the flame, and based on that it will on this fire extinguisher which is coming with the liquid one. And here directly controlling from the fire sensor to the extinguisher, and the whole system getting power supply from the 12 volt 2600 milliamps battery pack. So here we have connected the battery pack. So there is the 3 battery packs underneath the robot connected in series. So each battery of 3.7 volts, totally 11.1 volt, maximum of 12 volts will get, and which is rechargeable battery. In order to recharge the battery, the very first step before on the kit is we need to charge the battery for full power. So this is a charger we are going to provide on the power supply to the transformer to 30 volts AC input, and there we can see the one was already glued and connected this section, and the B written is a battery. So connect that in one direction. It will accept the pin in one direction, connect that to the battery pin and leave that for at least charging of 6 hours minimum, 8 hours maximum. After the time completion also, no need to worry about the battery overcharging problem. This charging circuit will block the current flow from battery to protect that from overcharging. And here this charging circuit consists of 4 diodes and a filter to convert the AC to pure DC voltage. After the time completion, 6 to 8 hours time completion, you can just disconnect this charging from the battery. And coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced this totally 12 servo motors, 12 pins of our nano board. So that is pin number 2 to pin number 13 directly, and the input from the ESP32 camera interface at the receiving pin of our nano board, and fire sensor is directly connected to the fire extinguisher. Let us see demonstration. So the next step is we need to place the battery full charge, first step. The next step is on the hotspots. For that, go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot name to project 5932 without any space, without any capital letter. Password should be 123456789, and after AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. After these settings on the hotspots, and then install one application, that is network analyzer application. So this is the network analyzer application which is available in the Play Store. After these steps, we can just keep the charger aside, right? And now there is a on off switch. Yeah, right, I forgot to describe about this one. This one is the LM2596 voltage regulator, as the operating voltage for the whole components is a 5 volts, and we are providing the 12 volts DC input. We need to regulate that voltage. So for the regulation purpose, we kept LM2596 voltage regulator here, and this is the main on off switch. Above is the on, below is the off. Here there is a one important step we need to remember. Hold it in hand first. Hold the reset switch of nano board. So this is the reset switch. Okay, hold this. There should be one device connected already. Right now the D0 device connected on the power supply to the robot. So the power supply got switched on. So this is the off and on. I'll show you from starting. So when you on this, till that you should hold the reset switch. So one device is connected. After showing the one device connected successfully, then keep it on the floor. Now release the switch. Right, now it is stabilized. Now go to network analyzer application, do options to LAN scan and scan. There we get the two IP addresses. One is our phone IP address, another is our ESP32 camera. Go to Google Chrome, paste it and enter. There we are getting the visuals from the camera. We can control the headlight also. So here while you're controlling, when you press and hold this forward button, till you hold that, the robot will move forward. When I release that, it stops and sits. Same for left also. Same for right. Okay, and now let us check the fire. So let me make the fire. Right. So when the fire detects, there we can see fire is coming low. So in this manner. So to off this, there is one switch underneath this sprayer. Again, press this. It will automatically stops. Let us see again. Fire extinguisher. Right. Okay. So right. So here one more thing I forgot to mention about the filling of liquid inside this extinguisher. So hold this and press an anti-clockwise rotation. We can open the cap and we can fill that liquid inside that, and same in this manner insert. The direction should be in this manner and press and lock. We can sense the lock also over there. Right. So once again, right. So the problems you are going to face, first thing is you should hold the reset switch till it is connected to the mobile phone. Slowly the video will be loaded. Right. Okay. So the very first thing is we should keep the battery under fully charged. Then only it can work without any malfunctioning.